that what I think it is?
Nothing special. Plutonium core. I'm guessing a 5 or 6 megaton yield. Enough to turn this entire city into a glass ashtray.
That's not good. How much time we have?
Enough time for you to get out of here. Even if you could get that gate open, I still have to detach one detonator. I can save the city, but this entire network of tunnels is going to cave in.
Whoever detaches that detonator is going to die.
This is where you leave me. For those we never meet.
For those we never meet.